Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope that you all will be quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is a requested video by one of our subscriber. He asked me that how can we adjust the sound. I think he is facing a problem for controller sound. So, first of all, go to home menu. This is a home menu. Then go to setting. And here you will see in all kind of controllers, data controllers, you can see here sounds and notifications. Press it and check all these events, warning system, programs, screen taps and hardware buttons. And if these are checked, okay. If these are not checked, then check it and press OK button. So your notification sound, for example, you can see that hardware sound, screen taps. If I press OK, then there is no sound now, as you can see. But go to sound and then press again, press OK. Now you will hear all the sounds. So this was the topic. I hope that you have understand the topic. If you have any questions or any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in comment section. So it's okay. Allah Hafiz.